Hi, I'm Jasmine and I was sent this 1100 BTU portable mini patio heater, and this thing is so cool. I have it on right now and it's putting off a lot of heat, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down. Not only does this thing put off a ton of heat, it's gonna keep my patio so warm, but it was also so easy to put together. I put it together in like 10 minutes. I'll show you how it came in the box. From there, it was so easy to put together. You can see there are screws here, here, and then at the top is that metal mesh piece and the grate that goes on there and screws on. Then you just screw this big plate on, and then that little plate with the 3 screws hold it on. So easy to put together and so fast. Then inside here, you just open this guy up, and this is where your propane tank goes. You can have this little one, and I love that this is on like a pivoting thing, so it's easy to screw in and then put in there. Or you can get a hose attachment and run it through this hole in the back here and hook it up to one of your bigger propane tanks. This one comes in a few different options and a few different colors. I personally love the look of this one. Compared to your standard size like tall patio heater, this puts off quite a bit less heat. It says it goes from a 4.5 foot to 6.5 foot diameter, and I would say that's pretty true. But this one is much more portable. You can take it camping with you. You can move it from your seating area here to out to the yard while the kids play, or even over to your friend's house if they're the ones having the barbecue. The other great thing about this is it has a 3 1/3 pound base, so you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it over. A big gust of wind could do it, but for the most part, you don't have to worry about that. Overall, I love this portable patio heater, and I cannot wait to take it camping with us.